car that won't break down in the heat of Los Angeles. Come on, it's alive and breathing. Come on, come alive.